Hi everyone, it's Adam here from Intelligent Home. I've got a really important question to ask you today. When was the last time that you had your alarm serviced? For many people, this isn't a priority, but it should be, and I'll explain why. Without regular maintenance and servicing on your alarm system, it can deteriorate over time and therefore cost you more in the long run. A lot of insurance companies also require regular maintenance reports, and that's basically what's helping keep your premiums low. Intelligent Home are now offering maintenance and battery changes as part of our maintenance program at a very, very special price. It's for anyone who has an alarm that's been installed by Intelligent Home, and today I'll be showing you exactly what we do at the appointment. So come on in. First part of the appointment is to have a look at the keypad and make sure that there's no existing troubles that are happening with the alarm system. As we can see on this keypad here, the trouble light isn't on, so we're all ready to go, and we'll move to the next point. So next point is we'll test the sirens and make sure that they're all working. Last thing that you want is for the sirens not to be working if someone obviously does break into your property, and you also want to know that the strobe is working on the outside when you come home and to see that something's happened inside of your property. Another really important part of the alarm system is obviously the detectors, and it's really important that we keep these nice and clean. Part of the appointment is to take the cover off the detector, obviously make sure that the lens itself is all nice and clear, and we also perform a bit of a test to make sure that those wires are all keeping in there fine. If there are any bugs inside of the detector, they do need to be removed for the simple fact that bugs can cause false alarms with your alarm system. It's also really important to check and make sure that the detectors are actually picking up in the areas that you want them to. So from this point here, any bit of movement, and you can see that the detectors pick me up straight away, which is exactly what we wanted to do in this scenario. Next part of the appointment is to check the battery. This battery's been in here for around about 3 years now, so part of the appointment process is that we'll change this one out for you today. If you do require any additional stickers for the outside of your property as well, we can also provide you with these at the appointment. There you are, Carl. Lovely to meet you, and if there's anything else that you do need, feel free to give us a call.
Okay, thank you.